Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to take you through the process of registering for attachment and teaching practice. First is to make sure that you're logged into the student portal with your credentials. You log into the portal. Then you go to log into the portal. Then you go to information update. Then you click on attachment stroke TP teaching practice. Then you select the period, that is, for example, September, December. You select the institution. For example, you can type the one word for the institution that you're going to, because they're already in the system. If it's not there, we'll give you a provision of adding. You select the type of attachment. There are those programs where they have more than one attachment, but those that have only one. So if you're going for the first one, you'd get the student attachment. If you're going for the second one, you'd get two, or the third one. You'd get that, then you click proceed. Then, of course, you can select the institution here, or if it's not there, you can add new. Then you come and indicate the name of institution, for example, and the category, is it a school or a corporate? Then what is important is the county where that institution is located, and the sub-county. And then you save that institution. Once you save that, then you'll be able to select it from the list here. So then let's say, for example, I'm going to that company, and the workstation in Thika. Remember, there are those companies that have more than one workstation. One could be in Thika, Nairobi. So you select the location and the period. For example, let's say you're starting from 1st September, then you save. Once you save that, you'll find that that information has been saved in the system here, and you can include a schedule or a timetable. For example, if there are those that you're working in shift, you can indicate. Or if, for example, like you're teaching, then you can indicate your timetable there, and the subject that you're teaching, and the week, and the hours, so that somebody coming to locate you will be able to see when you are available and so on. Then you can always access the details here of the student. The assessor will be able to get the communication and the email and so on. Then once that information is sent to the HOD, the HOD will look at whether, will confirm whether you have made the requirements, paid the attachment fee, and of course due for attachment. He'll approve, and once it's approved, then you'll assign in an assessor. And once the assessor is assigned, you come and click here. You'll be able to see the number of assessors. If it is more than one or two, they will indicate two. Then once you click, you'll be able to see the names and their contact. And then when they come to visit you at the place of work, then they will write a report, and you'll be able to see there. And then the final report is submitted. You'll be able to see that final report from here. So it's very simple, as you can see. And that's the process of applying for attachment or teaching practice. Thank you.